7 cake recipes loved by both adults and kids. Master them and never buy from stores again. 1. Yogurt cake. Ingredients: 1 cup yogurt, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 teaspoons cornstarch. Instructions: mix all ingredients until smooth. Sprinkle raisins on top. Air fry at 160 C for 20 minutes. Done. 2. 1000-layer pattern sponge cake. Ingredients: 3 eggs, 40 grams milk, pack cake mix, 40 grams oil. Instructions: whisk eggs, milk, and cake mix until creamy. Fold in oil, pour into a pan and create a grid pattern with egg yolk. Air fry at 140 C for 30 minutes. 3. Strawberry cake. Ingredients: 3 eggs, 40 grams milk, pack cake mix, fresh strawberries. Instructions: blend eggs, milk, and mix into a thick batter. Add chopped strawberries. Air fry at 130 C for 40 minutes. 4. Fluffy soufflé. Ingredients: 3 eggs separated, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar. Instructions: whisk yolks with salt. Beat whites with sugar until stiff peaks form. Gently fold whites into yolks. Pour into a greased pan. Cover, and cook on low heat for 8 minutes, or bake at 180 C for 15 minutes. Eat while hot. 5. Velvety cupcakes. Ingredients: 35 grams milk, 25 grams corn oil, 55 grams cake flour, 3 egg yolks, 40 grams sugar for meringue. Instructions: mix milk, oil, flour, and yolks. Whip egg whites with sugar to stiff peaks. Fold meringue into batter. Pipe into cups. Bake at 130 C for 45 minutes, then 150 C for 10 minutes. Decorate with cream and fruit. 6. Baby-friendly yogurt pancakes. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 75 grams yogurt, 45 grams cake flour, lemon juice, sugar optional for toddlers. Instructions: whisk yolks with yogurt and flour. Beat whites with sugar to stiff peaks. Fold into batter. Pipe onto a preheated pan, add water droplets, and cook on low heat until golden. 7. Cloud cake. Ingredients: 3 egg whites, 20 grams sugar, 20 grams cornstarch, dried fruits. Instructions: whip egg whites with sugar and cornstarch to stiff peaks. Shape into a dome, top with dried fruits. Bake at 160 C for 20 minutes. Enjoy its melt in the mouth texture. Notes: measurements use standard baking terms. For example, pack cake mix refers to 150-200 g pre-packaged mix. Techniques like folding, whipping, and temperature control are critical for texture. Adjust baking times slightly based on appliance performance. Enjoy making these simple yet delicious cakes at home.